In this video, I'll guide you through how to set an alarm on Gmail messages so you can get reminded about important emails at the right time without having to keep them at the top of your inbox. We'll be using Gmail's built-in snooze feature, which works like a reminder or alarm for any email you choose. First, open Gmail. You can do this in a web browser on your computer by going to the Gmail website and signing in, or by using the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're in the correct account if you use more than one. Once Gmail is open and fully loaded, you should see your inbox with a list of your emails. Next, you'll want to select the email you'd like to set an alarm or reminder for. This is usually an email that you need to act on later but don't want to forget. Look through your inbox and click on the email subject to open it, or if you prefer, you can also work directly from the inbox view. Just make sure you've clearly identified the message you want to snooze so you don't accidentally set a reminder on the wrong email. Now, with the email selected, it's time to use the snooze option. On the desktop version of Gmail, when you hover your mouse over an email in the inbox, you'll see a small clock icon appear on the right side. That's the snooze button. If you've opened the email, you'll see that same clock icon at the top of the message. On the mobile app, open the email and look for the snooze option in the menu, usually represented by a small clock icon as well. Go ahead and click or tap snooze. As soon as you click snooze, Gmail will open a small menu that lets you set the time for your reminder. You'll typically see a few quick options like later today, tomorrow, or next week, along with an option to pick a specific date and time. These preset times can be handy if you just want to push something to tomorrow morning or later in the week without thinking about the exact hour. If you want more control, choose the option that lets you select a custom date and time. This is useful for things like bills, appointments, or follow-up emails that need to happen at a very specific moment. Carefully set the exact day and time when you want the email to come back to your attention. When you confirm your choice, Gmail will remove the email from your inbox for now and store it in a special snoozed section. At the time you selected, Gmail will automatically bring that email back to the top of your inbox as if it just arrived. You'll also get a notification depending on your device settings, so it really behaves like an alarm or reminder for that message. This can help keep your inbox cleaner while still making sure you don't miss anything important. If you ever need to adjust or cancel a reminder, you can open the snoozed section in Gmail, find the email, and change the snooze time or move it back to your inbox. And that's all there is to it. By opening Gmail, selecting an email, clicking snooze, and setting the time for your reminder, you can turn any message into a simple built-in alarm that works around your schedule.